Wala akong natanggap na text eh. No, no, of course, we're going to put weight. Bibigyan namin naman ng, kukonsidera namin yung message niya. Una sa lahat, again, 11, 12 na, wala pa rin kaming, wala talaga. Sa totoo lang. And kayo naman, nandito kayo araw-araw, wala pa rin, malalaman nyo yan kung meron na. Pero wala pa kaming natatanggap. So, wala. I mean, yes, ginagalang namin and binibigyan naming respeto and syempre,
legislative. Pero ang kagandahan naman po with the government now, it's very open lines of communication. We've experienced that po kami sa legislative. Although our functions may not be executive, when we have comments, opinions, they're always open. The secretaries,